its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel or you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon